Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Time 5 seconds for each question. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. Choose the correct past form of right. Option C is the correct answer. Question 2. Which is a proper noun? Option C is the correct answer. Question 3. Which word is an adverb? Option A is the correct answer. Question 4. Choose the plural form of mouse. Option C is the correct answer. Question 5. Which is a question tag? Option A is the correct answer. Question 6. Which is a conjunction? Option A is the correct answer. Question 7. Which is the opposite of big? Option C is the correct answer. Question 8. Which is a preposition? Option A is the correct answer. Question 9. Choose the correct past tense C. Option B is the correct answer. Question 10. Which is the opposite of day? Option C is the correct answer. Question 11. Which is the comparative form of bad? Option B is the correct answer. Question 12. Which is a pronoun? Option A is the correct answer. Question 13. Choose the correct spelling. Option B is the correct answer. Question 14. Which is an interjection? Option A is the correct answer. Question 15. Which is a noun? Option C is the correct answer.